Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to make these beautiful wall pocket planters you see right behind me. So stay tuned to see how to make them. You want to start by removing a block of oven-baked clay from the box. This piece has 7 sections, and I'm dividing it into a 4-layer section and a 3-layer section. Once you kneaded your clay, cover it with plastic and start rolling it out. You want this piece to be long and narrow in width. Take the 4-layer section of clay and roll it out. This piece needs to be shorter and wider in width. Once both pieces are rolled out to about a 1/4 inch thick, start pinching the edges of the first piece. Make sure to blend the clay. I used a straw to make a hole in the clay. Roll 2 pieces of paper towel and insert them into a rolled piece of paper. You can also use foil or parchment paper for this step. Place the rolled paper on the first piece of clay, then add your second piece on top. Start pinching the edges of both pieces together. If your piece is too wide, just cut some of the excess off. I added small pieces of clay to the inner area to make it more stable. Start blending your clay together until smooth. I went ahead and removed some excess clay and continued to blend. Here, I'm cutting off more excess clay and shaping the pocket to my liking. I noticed the edges of the piece were too thin, so I went ahead and added some clay and blended it in. I cut the excess for a cleaner look. I placed my pieces on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and baked them at 275 degrees for 25 minutes, but make sure to read your clay's instructions. Once they were baked and completely cooled, I went ahead and sanded them down with a sanding block. I'm using Krylon spray paint in glossy white to give them a ceramic look. Once dry, go ahead and use nails or command hooks to hang. You can go ahead and put your favorite plants in your wall pockets. I opted to use faux plants for easier maintenance. know if you decide to try these out for your own. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram at La Vida de Mogle. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.